Okay, day 3. The there's a celery in there, so don't get confused with that. The pickles are just starting to change color. Brine's looking just about right. Carrots, they gotta go longer. Carrots can go significantly longer. These, if you go too long, they get soggy. And this is a mix. What's in there? But these are highly pressurized right now. So I'm going to open this slowly. This is where the jar shatters. Okay. Now I'm actually going to put it in this bowl so I can capture and the fluid comes out. So you can see the fuzzy. I'm going to open it a little more now. Okay, definitely not as active as day 2. So you normally get violent curing in the first couple of days. So at day 3, it's starting to settle down. Didn't rush out. It smells really good. Carrots. Not a lot of pressure, so they're slowing down too. But let's see. Ooh. So it's a bit like you're opening a. It's a bit like opening a bottle of. So the carrots are day 2, and these went crazy a bit. So water comes out of the carrots, and it overflows the top. And I'm keeping 0 headspace there, so just to experiment. And you will see, I just open it a bit and there's pressure in there so no oxygen gets in. And I put that aside and let it bleed. And then I capture the excess. Smells like hot carrots. Not as good as Jimmy Ryan's, but what the hell. Okay, the final one is the medley. This one's going to probably be violent a bit. Yeah, it will. It's high pressure. One of the reasons for that is it's the last one to go in. So this is more like day 2. And it was, when you cut all these to the right height, you get all these little pieces left over. So you dice and mix them, but you don't put pickle in because pickles is short. Okay, so we're going to open this. You can tell I can't even press on the top. Okay. So like I said before, it's kind of like when you open a Coke. That's all CO2. Not all, mostly. Could be some oxygen, but 99% CO2. And, I mixed it. Oh, I didn't. Okay. So you can see that you can almost, if you study different vegetables, give off different gas. And the medley, because it's all jumbled in that, the gases get caught, have a hard time getting up, whereas with the carrots, they just go straight up. So this takes a little longer to bleed. You can see it's producing CO2. So if this was ginger and sugar in here, this would be drinkable ginger beer right now that would actually be carbonated. So, and that's like a 2-day thing. Which is interesting. I'm going to try that. All right. So then we tighten it back up. Now this one's interesting because it's got peppers. And when I smelled it yesterday, it smelled very, very good. It smelled like a fermented Tabasco or something. So you kind of analyze the color. If you had a problem, something was going rotten, you'd smell it. If it was unpleasant, he just wouldn't even go near them. Turn them into compost or something. It's all the essence of peppers, mostly. And there's other spices in there too, but pandemic style. All right. So that's basically here at store. That would cost me $25 probably. About $6-7 for a ferment. Well, can't get the carrots and that stuff here, but those are cheap. So $25. There's probably about $1.50 worth of vegetables in there, and I don't know, 25 cents worth of spices maybe. All right, later.